Hey guys, so I'm gonna call my wife over here. You guys never see her, but she's a beekeeper, and she's even more of a plant nut than I am. And so I want to show you guys this little pollinator area and this monarch caterpillar that's just decimating our milkweed, which is totally cool because that's why we got the milkweed. But it's been really great. I mean, the pollinators have done a wonderful job. Our fruiting on our star fruit was off the charts, and we've got passion fruit coming on, and we've harvested so many roselles. I don't even know what the hell we're going to do with them. So we just keep, wherever we're planting stuff that we're going to eat, we always make sure we have a pollinator patch nearby, and we want to get them in and get them working. So it's been cool. So I'm gonna call them over, and we'll probably see Peanut with her because she gave me a break for a few minutes, which has been nice. How you doing, Peanut?
Wet, Daddy.
Oh my goodness.
Tell Daddy you watered the bananas?
You watered the bananas?
Well, the sprinkler was on.
Ah. Hey, before you go in there, honey, come here.
I'll be there in 1 second.
Come here, Peanut. I want to show you something.
Tell Daddy you didn't really water the bananas. You watered your truck.
So this is my beautiful wife, who nobody ever gets to see on Instagram because she never wants to come on Instagram.
No.
Come here, honey.
Ah,
Look at this milkweed.
Wow.
It got decimated, but
Oh my goodness.
look
It
at
had
that.
legs on it yesterday. Wow.
That is a beaut. What is that we see there,
I think
honey?
it's a monarch butterfly.
It is. It is the
Well,
larva
it's
for a monarch,
caterpillar.
right?
That
So-
apparently was very hungry.
It decimated this.
Yeah, that had more legs on it yesterday.
Yep.
You show her on the roselles?
Yeah. So look at the size of
Watch
these
out,
roselles.
Look at the size of the wasp that's on the roselle. Wow.
How much roselles did you and Peanut harvest yesterday?
I don't know weight, but there were 175 of them. And then there's obviously more to go.
And what are you going to make with all the roselles? Tea and jam, and what
And
else?
roselle syrup to put on our ice cream.
Roselle
Look
syrup.
at the green bee. Oh my goodness, there's a green bee. There's a tiny little green bee. Look. Wow, look at these wasps.
So one day when my wife has time, she's going to start her beehives again.
Watch out.
And then when she does her beehives, I'm going to make her give classes on bees because she's just amazing. And then these Mexican heather, we bought these at the nursery yesterday with Peanut because the honeybees that were all over them were just crazy. And so we did this pollinator garden, and with all the aphids all over this milkweed here, you can see right there, they're leaving everything else alone. So we pretty much love milkweed, and we use it a lot. And you can see our passion fruit is coming on nicely. So the more we get these pollinators in and going, just the better everything does in the area. So
there's your roselle. And you basically, with a knife, not with your fingers, but take this out like so. That's the seed pod. You throw that out. And these you dehydrate. And you can make tea, jam, syrup. Use it in place of strawberries. They're actually known as Florida cranberries. So in place of cranberry, not strawberry. Yeah, and then you just throw it.
how cool is that?
On peanut.
How many roselles did you germinate, honey?
I don't know. A lot.
She germinated 48, and we got all these roselles in, and hell, we have at least 20 or 30 on the side we never even got in. So yeah, so this is the starting of a little pollinator garden. Put the Mexican heather in. I do plant everything with our bumper crop. We love our bumper crop. And yeah, that's it. Let me get back to gardening.